How to add stops in Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add stops on Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add stops on Uber, all you have to do is open up the Uber application, and let's say adding a stop basically means that whilst you are booking a ride you want to stop in between. For that you have to add a stop. So select the option called Where To over here, and once you've done that, if you want to add a stop, you can just go ahead and first of all enter your location here, and once you enter your location you should be able to go ahead and actually find that, right? So first you can select the pickup location. So I'll select a pickup location over here, and once I select a pickup location I can simply set a gathering location, and once I've done that you'll find the plus icon on the right hand side. This plus icon is for adding a stop, so when you tap on it you can add a stop anywhere you want, and you can add some 1 or 2 stops in that case, and this way you'll be able to add stops on Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.